Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I have a new launch by Biotique, which is the Bio Rose Water Toner. So this is the outer packaging, this is a cardboard packaging, and this is the bottle in which the rose toner it comes. This is a plastic bottle and this is a screw cap over here, and this all the details regarding the product is given on the outer packaging as well as on the bottle also. So you can very easily throw away this outer packaging. So this is a rose water which is pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters, and this is for all skin types, and moreover this is a 100% Ayurvedic formula, and this is a 120 ml product. The product quantity is 120 ml and you pay rupees 220 for this, and the use before or the expiry date or the shelf life is for 3 years. But once you open this product, you have to use it before 12 months, and this is a 100% vegetarian product. Moreover, this is 100% vegan also, and it is organically pure and preservative free, and no animal testing and dermatologically tested products. So these are the claims which this rose water it makes. So currently this product is on sale on Nykaa, so you can get it for 180 to 190 rupees only, and it claims that this is a pore tightening toner and this is steam distilled rose water. So the process is steam distilled, and it makes your skin look instantly healthy, feels refreshed, balanced, toned, smooth and glowing. So there are so many claims which this one product it makes, and here you can read the ingredient list. So the ingredient list is also very Ayurvedic type of ingredient list, and to use this you have to open this cap from here. You can see that the color of the product is pink and it is very running consistency just like water, and from this here you have to take this on a cotton pad and apply all over your face and neck, and it gets absorbed into your skin very easily and it feels very cool on your skin. Now to be very honest, I have used this product just 3 times on my skin and I am giving my review. Actually this product it lathers up when I apply it on my skin. It feels little soapy. Even the cotton pad with which I apply it also turns little bit soapy. So now I am afraid that it might cause breakouts on your skin. Is it because of some ingredients or anything else? I can't say why it feels very soapy or it lathers up. I do not have the reason behind it, but it forms a little bit of lather. I don't think that the camera will be able to capture because the lather is not too much, it's little. But let me show you the texture for this. So it's a very runny consistency just like water, and when you rub it against your skin it starts lathering up. So the camera is actually not able to capture that because I have applied a very little amount and the lather is too little for the camera, but on my hands I can feel that it is little bit soapy. And why is it so? I have no reason behind that. Actually, that is not a very big concern because it turns soapy very little. It does not lathers too much like a face wash or anything. Very little soapy, and I don't think that it will affect your skin that much, but it might cause breakouts on your skin. It has not caused any breakouts till now on my face, but I'm not sure whether it will cause any breakouts or not. But I just wanted to share this point with you all. And the fragrance of this is not of roses. Yes, a rose water toner which claims to be steam distilled also, and it does not smell of roses at all. The fragrance of this is from some cosmetic products or a talcum powder rather from 90s or early 2000. Yes, it has some cosmetic type fragrance to it, so I do not think that this is a pure and natural product as it claims. First, because it turns soapy, and the second, it does not smell anything like roses, but otherwise it gives a very cooling effect on my skin, and it does not give any type of burning sensation also on my skin, and it gives a very nice toned look, and I just love the end result which I get after using this product. and it moisturizes also my skin very well. My skin does not feel dry at all. So now I think that I have given you enough points that you can decide on yourself that whether to go for this product or not. I have given you the pros and the cons also. As for me, I don't think that I will be repurchasing this product because I love my the Kama Ayurveda one. So I'll buy that one only. But if you want, you can definitely try out this product. Not a bad product, only one negative point which I found in this, that it turns soapy. Otherwise, a nice product. So now this is for you to decide whether to go for this product or not. And I think that I'm done with my review part. So this was the video guys for today. Hope you liked this video and this video was helpful to you. And if you did like, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.